Welcome back to the Revit Mind. Glad to have you here again. As always, we're continuing our series on designing parametric families inside Revit. In today's video, we're creating a brand new parametric element, but this time, we're using it in a different and smarter way, by integrating it into a curtain wall system in Revit. The idea is to start experimenting with how we can combine parametric families with other existing Revit features to increase efficiency and unlock new creative design possibilities. The family we'll build today will act as a parametric facade panel. You can take this exact concept and use it to develop many other facade ideas. The principle is the same, the form might just change. Our main goal is to explain the logic behind it, so you can apply it to any other design in the future. These are some additional details we'll explore step by step throughout the tutorial. So, let's get started. First, we're going to start by opening a new generic model family. As usual, we'll change the units to meters. Next, we'll draw a set of reference planes to help us define the shape of the panel. We'll place dimensions between these reference planes to make sure the distances are equal. Then, we'll assign a length parameter to this dimension as an instance parameter. We'll repeat the exact same process for the width of the piece and assign it the same parameter, so whenever we change one value, the other one automatically updates too. This way, we're setting up a parametric square that can scale up or down freely. Now, we'll define the thickness of the panel and give it a reasonable value. After that, we'll open a new family using the curtain wall panel template and also switch its units to meters. This family will be the main element used inside the curtain wall system. Here's what we'll do inside it. First, we'll build the fixed back structure, which won't change. Then, we'll import the parametric square family we just created and place it on top of the structure. We'll add a few reference planes to assist in positioning and modeling. The structure, based on our reference image, will be shaped like a simple plus and we'll give it a small thickness. Now, when we load the square family, we need to align its reference planes with the reference planes of the structure so it locks perfectly in place. Next, we'll link the parameters from the original square family to this new curtain wall panel family. At this point, the parametric facade panel is ready. Now let's test it in a new project. We'll place a curtain wall, but we have to make sure its height and width are multiples of the panel size. For example, if the panel size is 0.5 meters, then it's better to use wall lengths like 2, 4, 5, or 6 meters. If not, Revit might not accept the layout or might give unexpected results. The same applies to the height. Then, go to Edit Type of the curtain wall. Adjust the grid spacing to match the exact size of our panel. And for the curtain panel, select the new family we created. Now the facade is fully ready to use. You'll notice that you can select any individual panel in the facade. Just keep pressing Tab until it highlights, and then you can adjust the opening parameter to get different configurations and facade patterns. And of course, you can also use Dynamo to automate variations and create amazing results, but that's something we'll cover in a separate video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.